Hi, I'm Annie with ByAnnie.com and Patterns by Annie. Come with me and let's check out our pattern Zip It Up 2.0. I often gravitate to this project. Why? Because it's simple, fun, and useful. Construction is easy since it's entirely flat, and it is an amazing blank slate. The exterior of the bag can really showcase quilting, piecing, embroidery, or applique. Yet, more than that, what I love most is that Zip It Up 2.0 isn't specifically designed for any single purpose, yet it meets so many needs well. Once made, it can be anything from a daily organizer to a first aid kit to a project bag. Starting on the outside, you will find large zippered pockets on both the front and the back. Both sizes of Zip It Up 2.0 open to lay flat and are designed with a combination of zippered pockets inside, a full-height pocket on one side and two pockets on the other. These can be made of vinyl and/or mesh. It's up to you. Plus, as a bonus, we added elastic strips down the center. When you are ready to go, Zip It Up does just that, closing with a zipper all the way around the outside to keep contents secure and organized. The handle makes it easy to pick up, carry, and store, and both are sized to fit easily into a larger bag. The large Zip It Up 2.0 measures 11.5 inches high by 14 inches wide. Exterior pockets are big enough for an iPad Pro or large tablet. The soft and stable construction provides great cushioning and stability to keep your gadgets safe. Its interior pockets can fit a full-size notebook on one side. The double pockets work great for a calculator, cords, flashcards, and more. The small measures 8.5 inches high by 10 inches wide. Its exterior pockets are great for smaller tablets, e-readers, and more. On the interior, the double pockets will hold rotary cutters, scissors, and other tools. The single pocket is perfect for rulers or project pieces. The Zip It Up 2.0 pattern includes step-by-step instructions to make these professionally finished cases, and is an update of the original Zip It Up pattern, which was first released in 2016. In addition to improving the illustrations, we updated the instructions to make assembly easier and included instructions for working with directional fabrics. We improved the handle, added more pockets inside and out, and included elastic strips inside for even more storage options. You will love this new version. We also filmed an add-on video to help you with the more unique or challenging aspects of the pattern. You will find bullets in the pattern indicating steps that are covered. Note that if you are working with the original Zip It Up pattern, these videos will be helpful for that pattern too. That said, because we added more pockets and features, many of the sizes, markings, and methods changed, so we'd highly recommend that you upgrade to the latest version. Ask for Zip It Up 2.0 at your local quilt shop or find it at ByAnnie.com. If you have more questions, be sure to watch the A Closer Look video, which gives more info about gathering supplies and customizing the project. I know that you'll enjoy making and using these versatile cases. There are so many ways to use them, and they'd make great gifts too. Thank you so much for your support. Happy stitching!